Question is, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So we will take a scale, measure an arc of 3 centimeter. This is 0, 1, 2 and suppose this is 3. Now I will take one point. Suppose I will consider this point as O. I will draw a circle over this point O. After drawing a circle, a center is O. Now I will extend a diameter by drawing a diameter first of all. According to the question, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. So I will take suppose P point to the left hand side at centimeter, that is given 7 centimeter. So this is from here, it is 7. So here I am taking 1 point and it will be from here again 1. It will be 7 centimeter away. So I have taken 2 points. Now I will join this. So in this way I have drawn a line. Let these points be, एक point P हुआ और एक point Q हुआ. Draw a tangent to a circle from this 2 point. What I have to do? मुझे दो टेंजेंट बनाना, एक टेंजेंट इस पॉइंट से और दूसरे टेंजेंट, पेयर ऑफ टेंजेंट्स इस पॉइंट से. So what I will be doing, my steps are, I will take a bisector of OQ by taking more than half. So more than half I will take and cut an arc from this like this, and from this point once again like this. Similarly, I will be cutting more than half from P then O. Now I will join this by dotted line. Let this point be E. I will join this line. Let this point be F. Now I will draw two circles as taking E as a center and OE or PE as a radius. I will be drawing it as a dotted circle by taking EP. I will be taking OF as a radius and F as a center. I will draw one more circle, that also dotted. After drawing the two circles that is dotted, taking E as a center and F as a center, what I got a point here and here which intersect. Let me take this point as M and this point as N. Now I will join this PM. Similarly, I will join PN. So PM and PN are two tangents which are drawn from a point P to the circle having a center O. Similarly, point of contact are suppose here, let it be L, and this point is suppose A. I will join this line QL. Naming can be any alphabet by your side. So what I got it, from P I drawn a tangent PM and PN, and from Q QL and QA. This was asked to you that draw the tangent to a circle from these two point P and Q, and thus I have drawn. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm with center at O. Produce its diameter on both sides and take point P and Q such that OP equals to OQ equals to 7 cm. Third, draw bisector of OP and OQ which intersect OP at E and OQ at F. Now take E as a center and OE as a radius and draw a dotted circle which intersect the given circle at 2 points, suppose M and N. Again take F as a center and OF as radius. Draw another dotted circle which intersect the given circle at L and A. Fifth step, join PM, PN, QL and QA. Thus, the required tangent from P and Q to the given circle are drawn, that is PM and PN and QL and QA.